Hello again. Welcome to the next video in the emotional literacy playlist. And in this video, we're going to look at naming needs and inner signals. So, emotions carry information about needs, about limits, and about values. And when you learn to name inner signals, your body no longer has to escalate to be heard. So this restores self-trust and makes communication clearer and calmer. So what might be some of those signals that your body sends when a need is unmet? Well, it can be that you're getting palpitation, that your heart starts beating fast. That is a signal. It's telling you something. And if you take notice and you stop to tune into that and notice, well, my heart's really pounding, or my hands are sweating, or I've kind of gone cold. Those are signals that your body gives you, and you often that happens before you're aware of what it is you're feeling or why. So, how do you usually respond to those signals? So, what signals does your body send when a need is unmet? What does your body send to you? And how do you usually respond to those signals? What do you do? What action do you take? And what need might be asking for attention right now when those things are happening? So just take a little bit of time to do your journaling on that for the day. This is really invaluable, and it's really helpful in a couple relationship and in a family relationship. And I mean, you know, if you take just 10 or 15 minutes now to reflect and journal on those three questions, it's worth its weight in gold. I promise you. So bye for now, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. The next video is about emotional honesty without harm. So bye for now.